Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present you about the impacts of AR and VR on immersive learning. I'm Hasini, a first year BTech first year in the branch of Computer Science and Engineering, a fellow at NxtWave CCBP Academy. So now let's dive into the presentation. Now, what is actually AR and VR means? Augmented reality is something that adds digital elements to a live view, often by using the camera or a smartphone. Uh, then virtual reality is completely immersive experience that replaces a real life environment with stimulated one. So, why do we use these AR and VR in the classrooms? So now, coming to the styles of learning of students, there are basically four categories: visual, auditory, reading, and writing, and kinetic. So visual learners are those who learn by seeing pictures, and auditory means by listening. Students can learn. Reading or writing means students can learn by reading or writing, and kinetic learning means students learn by carrying out physical activities rather than listening to a lecture or watching demonstrations. So, in the same way, a photo or video can help students visualize a challenging concept and understand the challenging concepts easily. Here comes the concept of AR and VR. So, um, how they can be used in the classrooms? They can be used with AR compatible smartphones and VR headsets. So, basically, these will increase the engagement to the subject and make information more memorable. So, with VR and AR, students can be transported to different era. For example, taking the example of explaining human anatomy with the help of a 3D model with VR headset makes them to understand the concepts easily. And another example, a virtual tour of Giza pyramids. So this makes class more interesting to the students, and so they can remember the concepts very easily. So studies have also revealed that AR and VR have strong potentials for helping students to improve their skills and knowledge. So these are all benefits and using them in the classrooms. So now, there are some challenges to use them in the classrooms. They are this hardware could be so expensive and needed to be updated frequently. So the challenge lies here with the facilitators, staying ahead of the curve and trends to know how to maximize the effectiveness of the technology. So, um now conclusion. What is we have learned what is AR and what is VR, and accessing them with the help of your headsets and accessing AR. We can use AR with the mobiles, with the smartphones, and the challenges using them. So